When in pursuit of power, one must be able to see the big picture. But also pay attention to detail. True power will show you what others cannot see. True power will make itself evident to you and to others. The pursuit may go on around the clock, but the power pushes you to work against it. And to truly pursue power, one must look for it in the calm before the storm. Redmi Note 10 Pro. The pursuit of power.
Just a thought. What if you could take in this entire landscape in one shot? Just a thought. What if an image could capture all your tiny imperfections perfectly?
Just a thought. What if the colors we saw in the real world were the same colors we could keep in our memories?
Just a thought. What if we just let more light in? Just a thought. Hello, Hasselblad.